Hello everybody. Today we have the Keurig Hot K525 C Plus series single serve coffee maker. I picked this up at Costco. It's on sale for $99. This is my second Keurig. I had the older one that was a lot smaller. I can't remember, it's like the K50 model, a lot smaller. This one is on sale for $100, and it comes with 15 K pods, cup pods. It has the mic K cup, so that you can brew your own coffee. It comes with the filter. So I was looking at deals on Walmart.com and everything else, and Costco had the best deal. They have this at Walmart for like, I think like $89 for the same machine. But it doesn't come with anything else. It's just the machine and that's it. So because this one came with the cup and the K-Pods, I decided to grab this one. So let's do an unboxing and see what we get in the box. Right off the bat, customer service warranty paper, nobody cares about it. User care guide, sure, we'll read that later. Let's see. Looks like the drain. Slide it into the coffee pot. It catches all the drips, I guess. Put these off to the side. Coffee collection. So, 12 cups just to mix. Starbucks. Here's the description of what it contains inside. Get one of those, then enjoy your cup singles inside. More coffee pods. Yep. Costco branded, by the way. These are the ones that you get at Costco, where you can buy Costco. Here we have the do-it-yourself one. This is the main one that we're gonna use mostly because K-pods are a little expensive. But you brew your own stuff, pour it in there, and it comes in the box. Like the other ones that they offered, they don't come with this one. Nice water filter. See, and everywhere else where you buy this stuff, it doesn't come with the pods or the brew it yourself coffee. Little filter for it. I think it's like pebbles and rocks and stuff like that. This goes inside the water dispenser. The maintenance accessory. So when we decide to do some maintenance on it, or it needs maintenance, this is probably what you use for the cleaner and stuff. That it didn't come with the cleaner, by the way, but at least I don't think it did. Nothing there. Super nice. Pretty good weight to it, about good 5-6 pounds to it. Big water tank, by the way. It's an 80-ounce water tank. Your 2.0 screen. Nice. Very, very nice. So, everywhere else you buy this, that's all it comes with. So, Costco's got the hookup. And that's everything in the box. So, there you guys have it. The Keurig Hot 525C Plus series. Comes with all these accessories. It's an 80-ounce water tank. It comes with the K-Pods, the do-it-yourself cup, water filter. All that costs over $100. So there you go, guys. If you have any question or anything, let me know. Thanks for watching.